Imagine for a moment that you're not just a mere physical being navigating the tangible realms of our world. No, you are so much more. You are an intricate weave of energy existing in a vast universe where every particle pulsates with vibrations. In this intricate dance of energy, you possess a remarkable ability, the power to both emit and receive energy. Yet, one of the most profound challenges you face lies in comprehending how to navigate life as an energy being. In a world where every facet, every nuance is composed of energy. Consider this: every word you utter, every action you take, from the seemingly mundane tasks like breathing and walking to the intricate tapestry of your emotions and thoughts, all of it requires energy. These emotions and thoughts, whether they resonate with positivity or negativity, carry their own unique energetic frequencies that, in turn, shape your experiences and cast ripples across the world around you. You are a constant transmitter of energy. Continuously, you send out signals to the universe like a beacon illuminating the essence of who you are. These signals, in their energetic dance, have the profound capability to either attract or repel other energetic beings, events, and experiences. This is where the law of attraction comes in. Picture it like this: if your energetic self is vibrating with anger and frustration, your tangible reality will echo those sentiments. Conversely, if your energy exudes wealth and abundance, your life will manifest those very qualities. Understanding this intricate connection reveals a fundamental truth. If you desire a shift in your life's experiences, you must alter the signals you emit. Your thoughts, emotions, and overall energy are the keystones to this transformation. By consciously modifying the signals you send out, you hold the power to reshape the patterns and experiences that unfold in your life. Think of yourself as a constant transmitter of energy. Every moment, you emit signals that convey your essence to the universe. These signals, in turn, either draw in or repel experiences, depending on the energy they carry. I want you to think about this. Your thoughts are not mere fleeting mental processes. They are potent carriers of energy and vibrations. Each thought sets off a specific frequency of vibration in the neurons of your brain. This energetic activity generates a force that aligns with and attracts corresponding experiences into your life. Your thoughts, quite literally, act as magnets, pulling in and manifesting the essence of what you focus on. By comprehending this principle, you gain the ability to consciously direct your thoughts toward the outcomes you desire, harnessing the power of your thoughts to sculpt your reality. Your thoughts, in essence, serve as the building blocks of your reality. There's a profound saying by British philosophical writer James Allen that encapsulates this truth. As a man thinketh in his heart, so is he. Your thoughts are the seeds that manifest your future. It's crucial to be mindful of how you allocate your energy because it follows your attention. The power to decide where to direct your energy rests entirely with you. As the great Albert Einstein once said, "Everything is energy." Even engaging with this video requires energy. The energy you focus on shapes your reality. You possess the autonomy to guide and manage this energy, determining where to concentrate it and how to utilize it. When you're feeling low, you have the ability to redirect your attention to something uplifting. You can influence your energy by spending time with positive individuals, engaging in activities that bring you joy, and surrounding yourself with uplifting messages. Protecting your energy is crucial. Set boundaries, avoid negative situations and relationships, and practice self-care. As you do so, you'll notice the universe aligning in your favor, bringing forth experiences that resonate with your energy. Having faith in the power of energy can lead to remarkable transformations in your life. Trusting in energy acknowledges your deservingness to receive and your capacity to generously give to others. Recognize that there's more to life than meets the eye, and a greater force is at play. Connecting with this force brings about profound changes in your well-being. Your energy aligns, your cells rejuvenate, and your overall health improves. Feelings of despair, confusion, and disappointment fade away, replaced by serenity, balance, and lightness. As you trust in energy, your thoughts transform into beliefs, and your dreams begin to materialize in your reality. By believing in your aspirations and taking concrete steps towards them, you have the power to create significant transformations in your life and accomplish everything you yearn for. Have faith in yourself and in the universe's guidance, and you'll uncover your true mission in this world. Close your eyes, connect with your inner self, and feel the energy coursing through you. Love, strength, and brightness. You are energy, capable of creating your reality and realizing your aspirations. You are worthy and adored. Believe in yourself and the universe and witness the magic unfold in your life. To transform your thoughts into beliefs, actively practice the act of believing. Place faith in the universe's ability to provide for your needs. Acknowledge your potential, desires, and dreams, and embrace your deservingness of love and happiness. You are not merely a drop in the ocean, you are the entire ocean in a drop. Let your vibrations echo throughout eternity, and may your journey be one of endless discovery, growth, and transformation. The universe eagerly awaits your harmonious vibrations, ready to co-create a reality beyond your wildest dreams. By consciously choosing and aligning your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs with the desired vibration, you can attract and manifest corresponding experiences into your life. If you've made it this far, I would appreciate your support through commenting and subscribing. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you have a great day.